What's up, party people? Today, back in the TOY-bBOX garage working on my Subaru. What do you think about that? Yeah, I know you want to see this. I know you're aching to see more Subaru shit, especially my Subaru. It's so much stuff has already been done that you're just aching for more. It's like a fix for you, isn't it? You need to see more. You need to see everyday videos of the Subaru. Yeah, on that note, it's nothing exciting. I'm putting the drive shaft in finally, and I have some issue in the steering wheel. That rack, something's going on with it. So I'm gonna get under there and figure out what's going on. I think I have a bent tube, so I'm gonna replace that just in case, because it's the one that went in there is a little bit different from the one that came out of there. Maybe it's a little bit longer and it's bent a little differently. We're gonna swap that out. I'm gonna make a mess. ATF everywhere. Also, I think it's about time I throw in my new fog lights. I bought them, might as well use them, right? Instead of them sitting in a box. If I have time later on, I'm going to try and adjust my rearview mirror because it bothers me that it vibrates so damn much. I'm trying to stabilize it a little bit more. Then if I can get through all of that, I have the intake plenum gasket and the manifold gasket for the Toyota, as well as coils, coil boots, plug wires, and wire protectors that like heat protectors, because the wires run next to the header on the driver's side. So we're going to go ahead and slap all that in the truck, see if that doesn't make a difference in the way it runs. I'm also going to blast some seafoam through the intake while it's running and see if I can't just choke the thing out. That's a bit of an exaggeration. I'm going to just see if I can't make it work. Clean that intake out a little bit. Maybe that's the problem. I think there's an EGR delete on my truck if I'm not mistaken, but I'm going to have to dig into that and see, because it could be a clogged EGR. I've seen that many times. So, on that note, you sit tight right here and watch me, because that's what you're here for, right? You're here to watch, well, maybe not me, but you're here to see car stuff, right? So let's watch some car stuff. Here we go. Turn around. There you go. Look at this. Look at this. That's some high quality H2O. Gangster. That's the car from the last video. If you didn't watch it, go watch it now. And I'll set you right here, and you can watch me fart around under the car. I'm gonna go ahead and put you on a time lapse though, so here we go. Okay, so it doesn't seem like I did a lot, but I rebled the power steering, readjusted my alignment, my tie rod ends, did a couple of things with one of the power steering lines under there, put in the new drive shaft, and fixed my mirror. It's still a little bit vibratey, but that's just the mirror itself. It's much more secure now on the bracket I made. Yeah, that's that. I'm gonna go give it a quick test drive and see how she functions. So let's do that real quick. See if this is any better than it was this morning. It was horrible this morning. Alright, let's see. Nope, I can still feel the vibration. Still feels bad. Just a quick around the block. Oh yeah. Do you hear that? It's fucked up. It's not so bad when moving, but when you're stopped, the car's fucked. Brakes feel better. Steering's not bad. Let's see here. Oh, it's way better. Yeah, brakes are way better. Power steering sucks, but it's good enough that I can drive to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it successful. Take her for alignment on Thursday. And then right now that I'm done with this, I can get started on the truck. Hopefully get that done today. And yeah, we'll be good. Alright. I'm gonna try and do the seafoam first though, so let's get to that. How'd you like that? Did you like that smoke show? So, I've done this a bunch of times, but I'm gonna rip the intake manifold off, put a new gasket on, swap out these Sumitomo plug wires and the ignition coils. See if we can't get this piece running better. I mean, it's been a while, so. Anyway, I'm gonna set you up here again and let you watch. Let's go. And that's how you fix all the cars in one day and clean up and fix all the cars, do all the things. Done. This is the Mastr-of-none. Be as heck. Signing out of the TOY-bBOX garage. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. Let's engage with each other. I'll catch you on the next one. I gotta go put all that crap away, all those spare parts. But we will catch you on the next one here in the TOY-bBOX garage. And I promise you, there's gonna be some good upcoming episodes, like some real good stuff. And we are finally starting the XB. I promise. No more games, no more pretending. We're actually gonna start it. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one.